Welcome back to another video. This video I'm going to show you guys how you can set up a crypto trading investment platform. This website has a lot of features, like users can actually take loan, user can make investments, user can trade, user can actually stake, user can also transfer money from one user to another in this particular video. I'm going to show you guys how you can set up this particular website yourself, walk you through all the features of this particular website and how the site actually works. Alright, let's jump straight into the video. Alright, so you see this is actually the front end of this particular website. You see, it's really beautiful, it's very powerful, it's great. You see, very powerful website. You can see the design is really it's well designed and well built. As you can see right here, this is just the front end of the website. Alright, so you can go through this particular website. So let's just jump straight to the dashboard so we can walk you through all the features of this particular website. So if you can log in, if you have an account, you can register an account or just log in. Let's have a login. Alright, since I already have my account login, so once you log in, it take you straight to this particular dashboard which you are seeing right now. So in this dashboard, we have a lot of things here. So we're going to be walking through from up here down to the ending. Alright, so let's start from this dashboard here. Dashboard. Right in the dashboard, you have your name right here. So start trading, you have deposit, invest, borrow, that's to take loan, and withdraw. We have your account balance, your total profit. Then down here we have your trading history right here. Trading history right here. You can see right here. Alright, so let's start from deposit. Click on deposit. Deposit. So you select this. So we have the minimum and the maximum withdrawal and charge. That can be set directly from the admin. So let's say we want to deposit. Minimum is 300 USD. So they want to deposit 500 USD. Select this particular method. The method we want to use. So let's say we're using Bitcoin for this. You can see for 500 USD, you will receive 497 as the money in your balance due to the charges, calculation, and stuff like that. So let's click on generate deposit address. Alright, so you can see perfect. You can see you have selected the deposit of 400 USD back into payment method. You can see you have the fee right there. So we have the amount automatically converted to Bitcoin already. Put the address, just copy the address right there. Then once you have made payment to this particular account, just click on save deposit. So you just have to upload your proof right here. Alright, then click on save. Alright, as the deposit is submitted successfully, you will receive your payment shortly. Alright, so click on OK. So you will receive an email notification of your deposit. So let's go back to the dashboard back. So let's walk you through the other feature. We have invest. Let's click on invest. Invest. So we have different investment plan right here. All this investment plan can be set directly from the admin. So let's want to invest on this particular plan, starter plan. RO 3%, 30 days, and profit return daily. Let's click on next. Alright. So click on next. You have to input. You have selected a start plan. Maximum amount is 50. Minimum amount is 50 USD. Maximum amount is 100 USD. So let's say you want to invest $60. Can confirm that. Right. Alright. So you see, investor submitted software amount automatically your investments have started already automatically. Right. So that's all about the investment part. We have the borrow. So let's click on borrow. So we have a lot of plan right here. You can borrow from. We have a lot. So let's say this is the first plan. So you can borrow. The minimum you can borrow from this is $300 to $6,000. Then the interest percentage, that's the amount you pay back. So let's click on next. Let's want to take this particular one. So let's click on the amount. Let's want to borrow. Minimum is $300. So you want to borrow $600. Click on submit loan application. Alright, loan application submitted successfully. So once the loan has been approved, the money will be added to your balance. Alright, let's go back to the dashboard. Let's test the other part there. That part is the withdrawal. Let's click on withdrawal. Alright, withdrawal. Alright, so we have the minimum maximum amount to withdraw. They have the withdrawal fee. So let's say you want to withdraw through Bitcoin. You just have to put your Ethereum address here. Ethereum XRP, put your XRP address here. Put the amount which you want to withdraw. Let's say you want to withdraw $12. Click on next. The minimum is 50 USD. So 50 USD. Click on next. Alright, so you just have to confirm your withdrawal. Let's click on confirm withdrawal. Alright, withdrawal request submitted successfully. So once going to be approved, the money will be sent straight to that particular address which you provided. Alright, so that's all about this dashboard. So let's leave this start trading now. We'll do that here. Alright, so the first thing this sidebar is the KYC. Click on KYC. Right, so I already submitted my KYC already. So if you register a new account, you'll be asked to submit your KYC on this particular platform. So that's all about the KYC part. So let's take the trading part. Let's want to trade, right? Let's do the trading part. Right, perfect. So for this trading, what you just have to do, you can either trade on limit or you can trade on market price depending on you. So let's want to trade on limit. We have about let's choose our pair. So let's want to trade Bitcoin to USD. The hour is in 1 hour. So let's input our amount here. Let's want to trade $1,000. Let's come buy. All right. Trade stays successfully. Okay. That trade has been placed already. As you can see, my balance has been minus already. So let's say we want to do market price. So we can do market. Choose the same pair. So choose our and reduce our leverage. You can add your stop loss if you want. Let's say stop loss of $3. Okay, take profit at $3. Stop loss at let's say $9. Click on buy. Right, trade place successfully. Right, if you scroll down here, you can actually see your trade history right here. So you can see your active trade and your close trade right here. So you can see one that can be done directly from the admin end. All right. So I can see all these trades are actually open right now. So you can see the buy, sell, and stuff like that here. All right. So let's go back to the dashboard back. Right. So that's all about the trading part. You see have a demo trading right here. So this is just like a demo trading account right here. This is a demo. This is just to practice. And see by default, once you register, you have about $10 million, 10 million USD in your account already for you to trade, right? So you can just repeat the same process here too, right? So let's go back to the dashboard. Let's click on signals. Click on signals. So for these signals, or what you just have to do is that. So once a user wants to subscribe for the signal package, which costs $500 per month, so you have to pay that money to this particular address. So once you put your WhatsApp number here, put your transfer hash of your payment here, submit your proof. So let's do that. Let's put the random number proof. Let's put the proof right here. All right. Click on subscribe. So once the user subscribe, then you can be sending the okay. What to put your country code? What about plus? Okay. Let's put this. Put the screenshots. All right. Subscribe. So once the user subscribe for this, then the signal will be sent directly to the person WhatsApp number which you provided. This is your signal submission request has been submitted successfully. All right. That's all about the signal part. So let's go straight to the staking part. To stake, as you can see, you can stake on different cryptocurrency, which all these staking plans can be set directly from the admin. So let's want to stake on Bitcoin. Stake now, so you have to input the amount. The minimum you can stake on Bitcoin is 10 USD. Maximum is 50 USD. So let's want to stake $10 on this particular one. Click on stake now. All right. Once you click on stake now, so it stake created successfully. So automatically your stake has been created successfully. So after the duration, which is 30 days, money will be added directly into your balance, your profit, right? So for deposit, we have set deposit already. So let's go to for new, it's just to create a deposit already. We have done this already. So let's go to deposit history. This will be where all your history, the deposit will be. So I have total deposited here, pending deposits which have not been approved yet, then approved deposit, then rejected deposit. So right here you can see all the history of all the deposits which you made, the amount and everything, the status, everything is right there. All right, so I have transfer new. So this is to transfer from one user to a particular user. So to transfer to a particular user, what you just need is when the user logs in, if you want to transfer to a particular user, so what you just have to do is to get the person account ID, which can be gotten from here like this. So let's say I want to transfer to myself, right? So let's say I want to transfer $100 to a particular user now. So let's put the person account ID there. Repeat this right there. Just read to notes, click on preview, right? So you just have to confirm your recipient details. You can see here, they click on confirm. So click on confirm. All right, transfer completed successfully. All right, so you can see this right here, the history. So you receive an email, user receive an email, and get notification on that. So you can see your total transfer is showing right here. So that's all about the transfer. Then we have okay, this is the transfer history part here. All right, next part is the loan. We have done the loan already. So let's go to the loan history. All right. So this is the loan history. See your total loans, pending loans, repaid loans, unpaid loans. So once you admin approve your loan, so you can actually pay back the loan by clicking on this button, pay back loan. Are you sure you want to repay your 627 USD for this loan? Click on OK. So automatically you can see loan repaid successfully. So let's reload this page right now. You can see paid. Status have been changed to paid. So automatically you have paid for your loan already. So it's investment. So I've done investment already. So let's scroll down to investment history. All right. So this investment history, you can see your total invest right here. You can see your investment here. So I invested in this good plan. So see the status is active right now. So see all the status are active. All right. So the next part now is the withdrawal. We tested the withdrawal already. So just have to test the withdrawal history. So click on history. Right. So this is withdrawal history. As you can see, what the date, the full name, your amount, your fee, the method you use, and your wallet address. Right. As you can see, the status completed, pending, all of that right here. As you can see, this is just all about the user diversity. It's really, really powerful application. Very powerful application. It's one of a kind application. So next part of this particular video now should take you straight to the admin end, where the admin have control to control everything happening on this particular website. So to access the admin is your domain name / uadmin. Automatically it will take you to a place to log in. All right. So once you log into your admin panel, it will take you straight to this particular dashboard, which you are seeing right now. All right. So this is the admin dashboard. You have your total users on the website, total amount invested, total amount stake, you have the total amount withdrawn, total amount deposited. All right. So let's walk through everything from this up to down. All right. The first part we're talking about is the user management. Click on user management. Let's click on that. All users. All right. So I have all the users on this particular website right now. So you can edit a particular user account, you can fund the account, you can send them an email, you can log in that particular user account directly from your admin end. All right. So let's say I want to fund my account. It's my account right here. Click on edit. So I can edit a particular thing on my account. All right. All right. So I missed something here. So I've not done this particular part. All right. So we have your profile overview right here. So you can actually still edit your profile. So this is your profile overview. You have your profile image, your account ID, your balance, your email, phone number, your status, your KYC status, verified address, and so that. So you can also see edit your details of your account. You can see them right here. You can change your profile picture, change your password too. All right. Just want to let you know that too. So let me go back to the admin. So the admin place, the admin panel, the admin can also still edit a particular user account details. So personal information, you can change the person name, his last name, email, phone number. Yeah. All right. So let's scroll down. Then KYC details, you can see person KYC details here. Marital status, the type, this is your account ID, verified by none. You can see verified, this is your person front ID, back ID, selfie photo. All right. So that's to edit a particular user. So to fund a particular user is this particular one. Let's click on fund. So want to fund the main balance or you want to fund the profit, whatever you want to fund. All right. So let's want to fund your profit to 500. Let's watch this. So on my profit, I have 800. So let me fund that plus 500. So let's say I want to fund my profit. Fund profit. So let's fund 500. All right. So let me go back to my dashboard. As you can see, perfect. You can see my profit now is $1,300 already. So that's all about the funding. So you can see send a particular user email notification. You can send them an email and put the subject there, put the message, and click on send. That particular user will actually receive an email. All right. You can also see log in the particular user account and you can also delete it. So that's all about user management. So for deposits, you have pending deposits. So pending deposit is where you can actually still approve or delete a particular deposit. So let's click on approve. If you want to approve this particular deposit, click on approve. Right, transaction approved. So automatically that deposit has been approved. So you can go to completed deposits. This is where all your completed deposits will be. Also have withdraw, pending withdrawals. Next part. So this is where all the withdrawals will be. You can see all the address of the particular user. Let's click on approve. Let's approve the particular withdrawal. All right. Right, transaction approved successfully. All right, perfect. So that's where how to approve withdrawal. So have completed withdrawal too. Right, next part now is the KYC. Click on KYC. So this is where you can actually approve a particular KYC of a user. As you can see the person front ID back, and the selfie. So you can approve a particular user KYC. All right. So this is how you can approve or delete it. So this particular session, this is where you can actually do that. Then we have investment plan. Investment plan is where you can all the investment package on your website will be. So you can edit a particular investment plan. So you can also change the status to inactive. If it's inactive, that investment plan will not be showing on the user side. So you can edit, you can change the name, you can change the price, the RO, the daily, weekly, all right, at the end when you get a profit. So you can also still add a particular one. Let's say I want to add another one. Let me just put a random thing here. So let's say I want to add another plan called um, new plan, new plan. Let's say BVIP. All right, so minimum should be 10, maximum should be $700, percentage like 12%. The profit to return monthly, duration should be 12 days or week. Active, they got on add. All right, new plan added successfully. Okay, all right, you can see the plan added. You can see got the particular plan right here. You can see. So you can also stay delete that particular investment package too, right? So that's all about that particular session. So let's go to loan plan. So this way you can also still add or edit a particular loan plan. So already have some loan plans. You can click on edit. You can change the name, change the minimum deposit and the maximum deposit too. All right. So you can also still add a particular loan plan. You can add it, the plan name, the minimum and the deposit right here. All right. Then we have loan history. So this is where all the loans, all your users on your websites, you can approve them, right? So I click on approve just to approve a particular loan. All right, this is the one I did earlier. Transaction approved successfully, so that money should be added to the particular user account. All right, so that's not just all about this loan history. Then we have stake plan. All right, this is where you can add the staking plan, all your staking plans, because this is just the ones we have right now. So you can edit a particular one. So this icon URL is actually this icon you are seeing right here. It should just be this icon you are seeing right here. So you can just look for a particular image, URL of the image, and just put it right here. Then we have the symbol which you want to trade on, that is the coin name, duration, APRO, then the minimum stake and the maximum stake. So you can edit this to edit a particular staking plan. Then you can also still add a particular staking plan right here. So the name, the symbol, the icon URL, that will be the image name, then the days, percentage, the minimum and the maximum. All right, so that's all about that staking plan. They'll have signal history. So people that actually apply for signal, this is where they will be. All right, so you can see the user, the subscription ID, their WhatsApp number, the amount, and their start date. So you can delete this particular staking plan if you want. Signal history, sorry. Then we have investment history. Investment history. So if user make an investment, all right, so that's where it will be on your website. This is where it will be. Then we have trades. All right, trade. This is where you can manipulate the trade of a particular user. All right, so let's say this particular person right here now, particular person here right here. As you can see, the start is open. So now you want to manipulate this particular trade right now. So you can actually edit the person particular trade. All right, so now I want to change that person trade status to lost, because then this amount here is what you will minus from the person's account. So if it's lost, you can say you want to minus $700 on that particular person's account. All right, so just click on save. Automatically, this $700 will be minus from that person's account. All right, see, that's a change to lost. All right, so that's all about the trade. So you can also see add a new order. So you add new order for a particular user. Just put the person name. If you want to do buy, the market, the price, the amount, leverage, take profit, stop loss, then the status, won or loss, and click on add. All right. So send mail. This is where you can send mail to all the users on this particular platform. When you have a new update on your site, you can say send mail to all my users, the subject, and you add your message there. Then for settings, we have your site name, your site email, site URL, minimum deposits, maximum deposit, deposit charge, minimum transfer, maximum transfer, minimum transfer fee, loan interest rate, minimum withdrawal, maximum withdrawal, then withdrawal fee. It's just your general settings. All right, so we have your account. Account is where you can change your admin name, your email, then change your password. As you can see, that's just all about this particular website, right from the user side to the admin. See, this website is a very, very powerful website. So next part of this particular video now is to show you how you can actually set up this particular website for yourself in less than 10 minutes. It's very, very, very easy to do. So let's do that now. All right, now so I'm going to show you how you can actually set up this particular website yourself. So to set up this particular website for yourself, you will need a domain name and a hosting. If you don't know how to get that, just contact the number you see below this particular video. So once you have purchased your domain name and hosting and you log in, you take you straight to this particular interface you are seeing right now. So the first thing you just need to do is to look for file manager right here. This particular one you are seeing right here. Click on file manager. All right. So once you click on file manager, it should load up like this. So you should look for public underscore HTML. This particular one right here. Open that. Right. So you should just click on upload right there. But inside the public underscore HTML, but I already have a subdomain which has been created already. So I want to upload mine inside the subdomain. So if you're uploading yours inside the public underscore HTML, just do the same process which I'm actually still doing. Right, click on upload, select files. All right, this is the file right here. This. So just wait for it to finish uploading. So just wait for it to finish uploading. Once you get to 100%, all right, and the color change to green, just know that it has finished uploading. So let's wait for it to finish uploading. Perfect. All right, as you can see, it has finished uploading. So we can cancel this, then reload this particular place. As you can see, the zip file is inside here already. So right click, extract files. All right, so once you see this, just know the file has finished extracting. So click on close or cancel it here, whatever one. So reload, the file is right there. So don't use zip file anymore, so we can delete this. All right. So once you see this file right here, double click on it. All right. So click on select, then move. Your own should be moved like this. If you upload yours inside the public underscore HTML, once you clean everything to look like this, click on move files. But since mine inside is subdomain, I'll just clean just that folder name away and click on move files. All right. I'll do that. The file has been moved already. So the next step now for you to do, there's an installation guide right here, so you can actually follow this. Let's just follow this to do this. All right. So first, to set your wallet address for user to make deposits, config DB. So let's leave that first. So the first thing we should do now is to create our database. All right. So to create a database, you should come here. This particular interface must log into your domain cPanel. Search for DB database wizard. This particular one right here. Click on database wizard. All right. So let's wait for that to load. While that load, so you just need to create your database name. So let me just use test because this is actually like a test just to show you how to do this. So click on test for that database name. Click on next step. All right. So once you click on next step, just wait for it to load. All right. All right. All right. So database name has been created. So same thing. Test. And for my password, you can click on password generator. Copy this and copy this password. Then use password. But I don't want to do that. Just want my username, my password. Everything should be the same thing. All right. Just click on create user, all privileges, make changes. All right. So that has been created successfully. So let's copy this. Let's copy that. Go back to this particular place. This is your file. Look for config folder. This particular right here. Config. Edit your db.php. This particular right here. Edit this. So put your username right there, your password right there, then your database name right there. So under here, you can this way you can set your wallet address for user to make the right here. All right, so just click on save once that has been done. So next thing is to go to your set database for the admin DB button right here. Click on edit. Right, so that's the same thing, database name and your DB name right here. So click on save. All right, once you click on save, that has been done. All right, so go back to this particular file. Go back. Download this. Click on this SQL folder. Click on that. Double click on this to download this database, this SQL file. So go back to this particular place and search for phpMyAdmin. Click on this. All right. Once you click on that, once you just look for a database name which you created, mine is tests. This is right here, test. Import. Browse. Database. Click on import. So I click on import. While that's importing, let's wait for that to finish importing. Let's go back. The next part now is to show you how you can actually set up your SMTP, that's your email. How you can actually be receiving email on this website. Go to this config folder back, click on edit this particular one, function.php, edit that. All right, so now let me show you how you can create your email. Now, this particular search bar, search for email account. All right, so search for email, click on create an email. So you can use whatever name you want, no reply, support, just put this right there, input your password right there and click on create. So once you click on create, you should have something like this. All right, so once you have something like this, so click on, go back here. Your host should be your domain name, just the domain name without the HTTPS should be here like this. Then the email which you created, just copy this email and put it right here. Put your password right here, email right here, then your site name should go right here. Once click on save, don't forget to click on save. Once you save that, your email will be working perfectly. All right, let's say the next thing is that in this installation guide, We have talked about the wallets. We have talked about the database and SNTP, SQL. So we are actually done with installing this particular script. Very, very easy to set up. So if you follow each and every step which I did in this video, you should not have any issue at all with this. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.